Hello everyone, this is Carlos with Rhode Island Telephone, and today we're going to talk about the NEC phone system. A couple of things that we're going to go over is how to check your voicemail. We're going to go over the voicemail system, how to check your voicemail, how to record your greeting on the NEC phone system, either the 9100 or the 8100. On the voicemail system itself, on the phone, there is a button that says VMSG. It's actually the button right below it. When you pick up the receiver, it moves the button just over to this side here. So it would be this button here. This is not a touch screen, obviously, so it'd be the button right below it. We'll do it with the handset on the cradle. So I'm gonna hit the voicemail button, and the voicemail system prompts you, but I gotta be honest with you, really don't need to listen to any of that. I'm going to record my greeting right now simply by hitting the voicemail button, hitting greeting number 1, and hitting record. That's basically how you record your personal greeting. Now there are several greetings you can record, but most people just use greeting number 1. So greeting, there are 3 greetings you can select. Greeting number 1, and hit record. That's how you record your personal greeting. If you want to check your voicemail, it's the same thing. The light will be on up here. It'll actually tell you how many messages you have. You hit the voicemail button, hit listen, and then you can do whatever you want. It'll say delete, save, it'll give you the options here. It didn't give me any options because I didn't have a voicemail. But let me leave one so we all get an idea
Start recording at the tone
and press the
pound key when you are done.
Hello, this is only a test message. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2.
Please enter the mailbox
I'm just
number.
going to leave myself a
extension
voicemail
1.
here, send.
The message has been sent.
And now you'll see how it says 1 new message. There's the screen, the light I should say, the blinking light. You hit voicemail, hit listen. You can pause it, you hit more, you can resume it, you can rewind, you can fast forward, you can do whatever you want. And I'm not listening to the prompts at all. I'm just following the screen.
Will be deleted when you
So that's it. That's how easy it is.